A team of ICE agents back at a San Francisco immigration courthouse today. Legal observers tell us 4 people were detained after routine hearings before immigration judges. And tonight, we're learning more about one of the women detained by those ICE agents. Here's NBC Bay Area's Sergio Quintana.
Just after 10 a.m., we saw federal agents putting a woman in a waiting van. We're not revealing her face or name at the request of her attorney, who says she faces a threat to her safety if she's deported back to her birth country.
She is from Nicaragua, and she fled the country because she is in danger there. She's fleeing political persecution, and she entered the United States over 3 years ago.
Immigration attorney Sergio Quintana tells us in court the U.S. government tried to have her client's asylum case dismissed, and even though a judge declined to do so, agents took her into custody. The woman's friend, Lindsay, was in the court waiting room and watched agents take her away.
Livid. I don't understand how this is happening in this world. She literally has no criminal history. She doesn't even have a ticket. She's one of the most hardworking people I know.
Lindsay's friend is one of 4 people detained by ICE at the court today. According to information compiled by the Deportation Data Project, the number of people with no criminal history or pending case being detained by ICE has dramatically spiked since May. Last month, ICE agents in California took nearly twice the amount of people into custody without any criminal records than people who did have a criminal conviction. The 4 people detained at the San Francisco Immigration Court today were taken into the ICE processing center on Sansom Street, just a few blocks away. What's most concerning for the legal teams who are trying to help these people who are detained and for their friends and family is not knowing what happens next. Lindsay says even as her friend was being processed by agents, she noted the things she was planning on and now wouldn't get to do.
I was going to have a going away party today with my staff and celebrate, and she did say upstairs she was so excited she was going to go to church, go to lunch, and then come to my party. But yeah, it's the whole day and it's been ruined.
Attorney Sergio Quintana says she's pushing for her client to be released, but notes that what's most likely to happen is that she'll be sent to a detention center out of the Bay Area or even out of state. We've reached out to ICE for information on this detention and haven't got a response. In San Francisco, Sergio Quintana, NBC Bay Area News.